Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Welcome, runners, to this easy guide on Marathon Alpha. In this video, I will explain how to play Marathon Alpha, a thrilling sci-fi extraction shooter. You'll step into the boots of a cybernetic mercenary, navigating the mysterious planet Tau Ceti Roman 4. Your main objective is to gather valuable loot, complete various contracts, and most importantly, extract alive. Remember, every run presents a unique risk versus reward scenario, so strategic thinking is key to survival and success in this dangerous world. Marathon Alpha plunges you into intense player versus environment combat. You'll face off against intelligent AI adversaries and other runners, making every encounter unpredictable. Each runner possesses unique abilities, like temporary invisibility or deploying a protective shield, which are vital for survival and outsmarting your opponents. The game features procedurally generated maps, ensuring that no two runs are exactly alike, keeping the gameplay fresh and demanding constant adaptation from you and your team of up to 3 players. To thrive in Marathon Alpha, focus on completing faction contracts. These missions not only advance the narrative, but also provide significant rewards and character upgrades. Remember, this is an extraction shooter, so if you fall in combat, all the loot you've collected during that run is lost. Therefore, careful inventory management is crucial. Always ensure you have enough healing supplies, like patch kits for health and shield charges for your defenses, to stay in the fight longer. Beyond individual runs, your long-term progression in Marathon Alpha involves leveling up factions to unlock permanent character upgrades, which persist even if you die. Experiment with various weapon rarities. Higher-tier weapons offer significant combat advantages and unique perks. Finally, understanding extraction mechanics is paramount. You have 25 minutes to complete your objectives and reach an extraction point. If the timer runs out, a final, chaotic extraction zone appears, making your escape much more challenging. Good luck, runner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.